One TV Patrol.
Agreement.
So, LinkBiz Portal, this is an electronic which advantage ni siya sa mga payor or sa mga clients na magbayad sa business permit or mga real estate tax. This is also a very good product wherein kung mga owner sa mga properties is from abroad, so they can pay online. So, dali na pag-collecta sa mga permit payment.
The very reason is we need the SP resolution for the LGU to be enrolled in this collection facility. So all we require from the LGU is just the SP resolution authorizing the Honorable Mayor to enter into a contract with Land Bank for this particular facility. Katulang sir, the other documents we will do, Land Bank will do the rest of the documents. And of course the MOA, we will be preparing the draft of the MOA for the LGU to review muna, and then if okay with the LGU, we will proceed to the finalization of the MOA for the mayor to sign.
One TV Patrol.